honor you. We honor the divine creator of heaven and earth, who destined the path of our creation with precision, might, and majesty, allowing to express himself with all aspects of divinity. We honor you in all our variety, in all the various aspects, with the limited capacity of our understanding, knowing that you know our depth and shallowness, our shining light and the darkness within. We honor you for the destined plans. For your creation has always been magnificent in its making, to generate and regenerate, multiply, reproduce, thrive with the multitudes of seemingly contradicting elements. We honor you for the truth of life that never ceases, but rather changes from and changes form, which is useful to the existence of other elements, whether in this dimension of physicality or the unseen. We honor you, for we are who we are because of thy nature. We honor you.